Okay, let us derive a quadratic equation from this information. They gave us the product of two consecutive even numbers is 288. Okay, so even numbers. What are the even numbers? We know that they are all any number which is divisible by 2 is an even number. So you think about 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Anything like 122 or 156, any number which is divisible by 2, that's it. Which if you can half it, then it is an even number. Okay, but there he is saying consecutive even numbers. So when you talk about consecutive even numbers, here this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. They're all consecutive numbers. What is the difference between those numbers? Between 2 and 4 is 2. Also between 4 and 6 they differ by 2. 6 and 8, 2. So I can understand that 2 is the difference between consecutive even numbers. So if I assume one of my even numbers, let us say the first even number is x. Let me say the first even number is equal to x. Alright. So I got my first even number equal to x. Right. So can you tell me what is the second even number? The second even number or the better way of writing this is, I think I can say the next even number, because there is a consecutive. Let me call the next even number. Out of those two consecutive even numbers, if the first even number is x, so the second even number or the next even number is going to be how much? It must be equal to x plus 2. Just now we discussed that those even numbers are differing by 2. So if you call or if you assume that the first number is x, your second even number is x plus 2. Now they gave us the product between those two even numbers is 288. So I can just write x times, that is the first even number, times the second even number, x times x plus 2 is equal to 288. Alright, that I can simplify. See, I have here x times x plus 2. So x is multiplied with x plus 2. Let me multiply x times x, giving me x squared, and x times 2, it is 2x is equal to 288. Further, if I want to remove 288 from the right hand side, I'll just take away 288 on both sides, subtract 288 to give us x square came down as it is, plus 2x minus 288. I cannot do anything to that, so I'll just bring down 2x minus 288. They are unlike terms, so you cannot subtract those. So I have here x square plus 2x minus 288 is equal to positive negative 288 got cancelled, and you have a quadratic equation which represents the product of two consecutive even numbers, 288. And if I want to match it with the standard form of a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. I have here a. Is there anything beside x squared? No, so I can write 1. So your a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is negative 288. Further, if you want to know what are those two even numbers, what is this x and what is that x plus 2, you can solve it by finding the factors or by using quadratic formula. All right, thank you.